Hello, this is the Webmaster, and I am going to train on how to get to the Google Docs in our drive, in our shared drive for the PTC board, and this is how we're going to do it. So first, once you're logged in into your account, and you can see my cursor right here. This is my account for Webmaster. Webmaster has email and images, and then here will be the Google Apps. So you open up, click that Google Apps. Go ahead, scroll down to Google Drive or Drive. And the volunteer stock here in the PTC. This is my file, and notice the person right here in the file area that calls for a shared file. So those are the documents that I've shared with you in the board meeting or at the board. So here you go. Okay, so on the Kaseberg helpers and PTC meeting, okay, so we are in the sign-up sheet. It's still loading, so I have to wait for this to finish. Alright, at the PTC helpers sheet, there's two tabs on the bottom. Volunteer list, which is this one right here, and then the event breakdown list, so I'll click on that tab. And here we are at the breakdown tab. So I believe this is how you set up for the filters tab. I did set up the filters tab. You'll see it's still loading. Okay. So for each tab, you'll notice that I have an arrow, drop-down arrow right here. For this tab, they all should be drop-down. Alright, so here on the tab, whatever you want to tab, so I go ahead and I'll tab these. As you can tell, I have tabbed all the categories here, or the columns, and they all have drop-down arrows. As you can see, one, there's another one, there's another one, another one. Okay, so within the drop-down arrows, go to whatever you want to find for, family fundraiser, for the Family Fall Festival, for example. Okay, so you go to the particular column that you want to filter, and I'll go ahead and just highlight all these right here. This one right here in particular. So you highlight the column that you want, which is here, as you can see, is Family Fall Festival. Go to this hourglass, or half hourglass, or cocktail glass looking thing. That's your filter. So click on that, and then you'll notice here's the arrow that dropped down. Okay. Now, any changes you make to the document will automatically save. So go ahead and click on that drop-down arrow. And from here, you could get rid of the blanks, because that's not what we're looking for. We want to see all the participants in Family Fall Festival. So we'll go ahead and click checkmark the FFF, and then OK. Okay, and then here you got all of your filtered out document or filtered out people who have signed up for or are interested in the FFF. So there you go. That's this training video. Again, similarly, you could go to any other, as you can see I'm moving my cursor, to any other column to filter out more items that you want to categorize, and you could arrange however you want. You can copy paste the particular document. For example, I'll go ahead and I'll do a highlight, copy paste. So copy that particular format that you want. Then you go ahead and you could open another document. Okay, as this is still loading. Okay, and you can see down here, there are the changes made by me, the Webmaster. And my Google Docs is still loading. And you don't see it, but I do. Okay, and then wait till it finishes loading. Okay, and we are loaded. So we go ahead and click in the blank area. You got different other templates that you can use, but let's go ahead and go to a blank area. Or a blank spreadsheet. Start a new spreadsheet with Google Sheets. Okay, and here we go. We're still loading on that Google Sheet. It's a brand new one. See, it says still loading. Okay, and we are here. So we go ahead and we'll click on up here in the upper right corner, and it should highlight the whole spreadsheet as it is right here. And then you go to the first category and right click on a column and row, preferably the first one, and then we paste it. Oops, it went away, sorry. And paste. Okay, and there you have it. We have the brand new format spreadsheet, and you could tell that everything is as, I'll click off of it so it'll unhighlight, and as you can tell, we have all the Family Fall Festival members that signed up for their interest, and this is what you concentrate on, the Family Fall Festival and the particular names. So all these other categories, as you know, are all the other interests that the volunteers had signed up for. So that concludes our how to copy and then paste into a new document, and then you can send out as you wish. Of course, up here you might want to sign in or make a new title for your particular spreadsheet that you want to send out, and you could do this for, again, any other of the events that you see that I have put on. So there you go. That concludes our lesson for Google.